thought I'ma do this ever since I first listened to it, but being lazy and shit, and now I steady brooding, lost in the thoughts, thinking if a brother from a small town like Infall would get a chance to prove it. Only important in this shit, you can get me folded. You not important like a bitch when I done unloaded. Fuck being cocky, I'd rather sit back, smoke some, relax as my bits get me sloppy, unapologetic, probably jaded, my mind in a different planet. Run away from this records, Costa Rica's more organic, that's how I plan it. Yeah, another dream, bet I made them see it now, turning dreams to reality. Shit is different, walking my shoes and you're gonna start tripping. You don't have a clue about this life that I'm leaving. Mata-mana-tak pangay-bahay ba-duli-nap. Funny shit, this ain't even my language. Nothing holding me back, I'm far from average. Working overtime, but you better know I'm starving. Crazy in my feelings, people think that I'm retarded. Losing patience, can somebody tell me what is mine? Best guaranteed, boy, I put my life on the line. No slow motion when I'm chasing all these dreams. When I make it, it's only you'll homie. What this beat is scream, what up? You'll homie. July 25